Hello everyone, today's tutorial is going to be all about a face primer. Well, for those of you who are not aware of the perfect usage of a face primer, it's usually applied after your moisturizer and before your foundation. A face primer creates the perfect base for your makeup, removes all the excess oil from your face and keeps your makeup intact for hours. Natural face primer covers all the fine lines and the wrinkles and makes your pores on the skin appear way smaller. So right now, I'm going to show you an extremely easy DIY tutorial on how to make a natural face primer back at your place. I'm adding 3 teaspoons of water, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, add 2 drops of almond oil. Mix really well. Apply this evenly on your face and allow it to cool before you apply your makeup. You can refrigerate the rest of the content for at least a week. Now, wasn't that easy? You can always leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Bye!